Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and basic operation so you don't tear things apart unnecessarily. Check battery orientation and voltage with a multimeter. If the adapter reads wrong, replace it. Inspect the tape path or cartridge area for obstructions and corrosion, and look for blown fuses or bulging capacitors because these explain many sudden failures. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay out tools so you can move straight into controlled repairs without creating new problems. You methodically open the recorder, keeping screws labeled and photos for reassembly. This saves time and frustration. Test mechanical parts. Spin the motor manually, inspect belts for stretch, and replace any brittle or 1/2 broken belts because slippage causes speed problems. Electrically, probe switches and PCB traces, clean gummed contacts, and reflow cold solder joints to restore continuity. Make sure to recheck alignment of heads and capstan once mechanical fixes are completed, so audio paths remain accurate. You now reassemble in reverse order, seating ribbon cables and securing screws without over-tightening. This prevents stripped threads and misalignment. Power up slowly, use a current-limited supply if available, and run calibration routines to set speed, bias, and read head alignment with a known good tape or signal generator. If problems persist, isolate by swapping modules or replacing suspect capacitors and motors. And if nothing works, document specific symptoms and consult component-level schematics for deeper tracing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.